Meet this idiot, Jake. He wants to learn everything about the stock market. One day, Jake sat at a coffee shop scrolling through videos about investing. The more videos he watching, the more confused he became. Suddenly, his beautiful and sexy friend Emma arrived and sat beside him. Emma is a financial expert, having deep knowledge about different financial terms.
Hey Jake, what's got you looking so serious at your fucking phone?
Everyone keeps talking about something called SIP, and honestly, I have no idea what the hell this SIP means.
That's actually easier than you think, Jake.
Then explain it to me like I am 5.
Okay, sure. Look at that small plant planted near the window. Now imagine you want to grow this into a massive tree. You can't dump a truckload of water on it one day and expect it to become huge overnight, right?
Of course not, Emma. I will water it a little bit every day. Slowly, consistently, and over time it will grow. But what the hell this has to do with SIP?
SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. Instead of investing a huge amount all at once, you invest a fixed amount regularly, every month, just like watering the plant every day.
Ooh, now I'm started getting it. So if I invest just a small amount every month, it can actually grow into something meaningful.
Absolutely. Let's say you invest $100 every month.
That's not a lot of money to invest in get meaningful returns, Emma.
That's the fucking point. Most people think investing requires thousands of dollars, but SIP is designed for ordinary people who don't have chunk of money to invest at once. If you invest $100 every month for years, your money doesn't just sit there. It gets invested in mutual funds, and those investments have the potential to grow over time. By the way, did you remember the concept of mutual fund which I had explained you recently?
Yeah, I remember it, Emma. Okay, but what if the market goes up and down?
That's actually one of the biggest advantages of SIP.
But how?
Let's take a small example. Imagine your favorite sneakers normally cost you $100.
Okay.
One month they're on sale for $80. Another month they're $120.
I'd buy more when they're cheaper. Simple, Emma.
Exactly. SIP works similarly. When markets are down, your fixed amount buys more units. When markets are up, it buys fewer units. Over time, this helps average out your purchase cost.
So I don't have to constantly guess the perfect time to invest.
Definitely not, Jake. Most professional investors can't perfectly time the market either.
So SIP is basically investing regularly, staying patient, and letting time do the heavy lifting.
You got it, idiot.
That sounds way less scary than I actually thought.
Because investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building wealth slowly, like taking one fucking small step at a time.
Thank you very much, Emma. You are my real friend.
Any time for you, idiot Jake. So the next time someone tells you that investing is only for wealthy people, remember one thing. Sometimes building wealth isn't about investing a fortune. It's about investing consistently.
And here's a small fucking question for you. Do you also invest in SIP? And if not, how much would you invest every month through an SIP?
When you start, drop your valuable answer in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance concepts explained simply.